Hello? Are we live? So, quick disclaimer before we start, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I am just sharing how I trade the markets in real time. You are responsible for your own decisions. So yeah, I had some difficulties with today's live stream, but yeah, I think now everything is working great. So, one second. Hello, Emmanuel. How are you, bro? So let's get straight to it because my second monitor doesn't work. The one it's here always. So I have the chat, everything on one screen. So bear with me, everyone. Yeah. So today we took a loss on a trade on the GBP CAD, and we also, yeah, in a negative drawdown. But so far, let's check today. Today is the 5th, I believe. Yeah. Today I'm down $5,240, but I think we are still up for this week from the second. This week so far I'm still up 27,000, and also all the premium members are up with me this much. So we took a loss today, no problem. We will continue. So please let me know if you have any questions. I will be trading gold this morning. Also, these are the trades that I still have open. So yeah, the CFDJPY, the one I shared on my Telegram, took the TP2 hit yesterday. We're still waiting for it to go to the TP3. CHFJPY, I shared this trade at the beginning of the week on Monday. So yeah, all TP hit. This one I shared it yesterday on the free Telegram, and we are still in some drawdown, no problem. So we'll be looking for entries on gold. Let me see. We can clearly see this level right here that is formed with these rejections. And yeah, yesterday it was a bit choppy, but we've been able to catch this movement on premium. And today I'm looking into some entries on gold. So let me quickly remove this level so I can see where we can take an entry. So either I will take an entry at this level here, or if the price go down to these levels. So I will draw some small levels like this, and from the above we don't have a clear level, but if I see that the price is still rejecting this level, I will go in. So with something like this, with a big stop loss, because you know, since last week gold is moving crazy and the 70 pip stop loss is not viable. But yesterday on premium we took a trade with 70 pips stop loss. Let me show you Telegram, and this one, yeah, we took this trade. Let me see. Yesterday, yeah, we took this trade with 70 pips stop loss, and we had all TP hit in 30 minutes, I believe. Yeah. So we'll be looking for entries now on gold. Please let me know if you have any questions. I really like the chat box to be yeah, active, so I can live stream every day like I'm doing right now. So yeah, if you can see, yesterday we had an entry with 70 pips, something like this, because I saw a rejection of this EMA. When I saw a rejection a second time like we have here, I've been able to enter something like this with 70 pips stop loss, something like this, and we've been able to catch yeah, 200 pips. But now you can see that the price is not respecting this EMA, so we'll be needing yeah, more analysis so we can enter. So we can clearly see that we have a level here from the past. It was not respected 2 times here, but we are on the 1 minute time frame. If we go to the higher time frame, we can see some wicks. So if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that the price respected this level here. So let's wait for an entry that we can take on the live stream. Market bias is a sell, sir, but if find buy scalp only. Market bias is a sell. Yeah, you can see that we from yesterday are going downwards. Yeah, so we had a strong push to the downside, then a pullback, then we are moving downwards. But if we are on the live stream, we are mainly scalping. So this is, you can call all of this scalping. If you buy here and take a profit here, or if you sell here, and this is all scalping. If you want so big trades, you will need to have yeah, 2000 pips stop loss or 1500 pips stop loss, something like this, with 7000 pips take profit. But we don't do that on the live stream also. So we can take whatever the market give us, and this is all scalping, like I told you. So, and if you can see the 15 minute time frame, you see how many times price has rejected this level. So I really want the price to go up a bit so we can take some positions. But now, since we are in the middle of nowhere, we will stay put. If I see that the price is heavily rejecting this EMA, I will think about yeah, going in a position. But for now, we keep watching. So what do you think about today's music? I hope that the video will not get banned on YouTube, because I see here no copyright music for creators. So I think today's music is far better than the other live stream music. Yeah, no problem, Emmanuel, and thank you for joining this live. So make sure, guys, to like the live stream. So where are we at in terms of P&L? We are still at minus 3,800, but like I showed you, we are still up $27,000 for the week. So if you can see here, this is the trade that I took a loss on it this morning, This is the trade for the gold that I took yesterday. And these are all the trades that I took this week, starting from the 2nd. Let me show you. From the 2nd of February. So, like we see here, price is not respecting this EMA for now. So we will not be relying on it. And we are inside this range, if you can see. So taking a trade here will be risky, especially that, for example, with, yeah, it's not that risky to be honest, but these guys are making it way riskier. So yeah, we will see. But so far I will be looking into entering at 42, let's say, or even 45 with 150 pips stop loss, not the 70 pips. So let me get my MT4 ready, and please do not copy trade me. This is extremely risky. Come on, come on. If we can take a trade exactly here, it will be great. Somewhere here. But let's see what the price will do. And let me open my MT4 because TradingView prices are laggy, especially for gold. So I can see it's now at 44, 42. And the prices are also laggy for you guys on the live stream because there is something called latency. And yeah, I think there is some 3 or 4 seconds between me speaking and you getting the live stream. So that's why I don't encourage anyone to copy trade me, especially in these conditions, you know. But you are free to do whatever you want, of course. Yeah, we see a first rejection here, a second rejection, third rejection. Now we are at the fourth rejection. Let's wait. So we'll be looking for a 42 entry or something like that. I think we missed the trade. Let's see. But like you know, guys, we don't FOMO. We don't enter it right here, so we wait more. Because yeah, we have little time for stock market to open, so maybe we will see some big volume there. And let me see how the stream is looking. Is the quality good? Because on my end I see the quality is a bit bad on my YouTube dashboard. Please answer me. Yeah, price has moved a lot. So we did missed this movement right here. No problem. We will not be taking every single, catching every single move. So we wait for the next move, for the price to go back here and see what it does. Great, thanks Emmanuel for answering the question. So we will be waiting for the price to come to the 42, 41 level. It's still going down, guys. Still going down. Yeah, we missed a very good move. So I think it was right here with 150 stop loss and 300 TP. Yeah, we missed a really good move. No problem. We'll be catching the next one. And this is one of the reasons why some people are not profitable, is when they see that they predicted a move. So yeah, they revenge trade in an opposite way, you know. So they regret that they didn't catch this move, and then their next move will be worse than their strategy, you know. Come on, come on. I hope you got what I mean. So when you see that you predicted a move, a good move, your next trade will be, will be not following your strategy 100%, and then you get a loss, then you start revenge trading, and then you know what happens. So yeah, the price is coming back. Let's see if we can get at least to this level right here. Where we at open PNL minus 3000. We're still in negative drawdown, but we are looking good for this week, so to be honest. So every single trade here was shared in premium, I believe. Expect for some trades on gold on Monday, I think if I'm not mistaken. Come on, gold, give us an entry. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget that, because we don't have an entry yet, and this is the perfect time to do that. I will need to think about the challenge that I told you guys about it, turning 1,000 to 1 million. Trying to turn 1,000 to 1 million, because that's simply not easy. So yeah, but I will do that after the live stream. Coming up with a good strategy. Yeah, finding how I can make the videos entertaining and everything. Come on. $29, maybe I would think about entering at 38, 39, because EMA is starting to go down a bit. $38, $39, something like that. We are at 35 now. 38, 39. Come on, come on, come on. 40, 41, 41, 43, 46. And this, no rejection. Let's see this 1 minute candle. 44, 43, 41, 40. Let's wait for this candle to be over, then decide. I'm totally confused with gold. Yeah, because yeah, you see, it makes no sense, but yeah, markets are not always trending. So like I told you guys that day, 70% of the time markets are not trending, markets are ranging. So you need to learn to trade the ranging markets even better than trading the trending markets, because trading the trending markets is pretty easy. Let's wait for this candle. You know why I didn't enter yet? I'm thinking about price doing something like this, you know, rejecting this EMA and switching sides. So that's why I didn't enter yet. But yeah, gold is moving crazy, 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 crazy. Let me see. No, the stop loss is not protected. I can't enter here. So Asgarali, can you explain please why you are totally confused with gold? Why, bro? What difficulty that you see? No clear direction, no trend, or what? So this movement right here, I think, is showing us that gold will still go down. Let's see if we do 150 here. So I think something like this at 41 or 42 will be great. So we'll be waiting for the price to come. Yeah, we'll be looking for a trade like this. Do you think NZD CAD will go up? I believe so. Yeah, I've done my analysis. I've entered the trade. I've sent it to you guys, and what NZD CAD will do based on my analysis, it will go down, it will go up, sorry. But yeah, everything can happen. So I'm entering at, let's see, 41, I think. Yes, I've entered at 41 or 42. 42. So 300, 150. So 42. Yes, 57. 42, the TP1 will be 100 pips at 32. The TP2 will be 200 pips at 22. And the TP3 will be 300 pips at 12. So yeah, I've entered the trade right here, if you can see, at, let's see, 41. Let's see what will happen. And also let me get you the levels so you can see the TP1, TP2 and TP3. 41, 32 is the TP1. This is the TP1. So don't forget, guys, that we are down $5,000 today. 22. And the TP3 will be at 12. This is the TP3. I think TP1 is hit. Yes. So I move the stop loss to the entry at 42. I think I've entered. Yes. 42. So, and yeah, this is the TP1. Let's see. And this is the open PNL. It turned positive because, yeah, of this call trade. A stop loss at entry. I will write it here. SL at break even. TP1 hit, yes. Let's see what will happen, if we will catch a good move to the downside or we will be stopped out at break even. Because yeah, we have 17 minutes left for the stock exchange to open. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. And for this TP1 hit, make sure to like the live stream, guys. I think we have only 2 likes and 6 people watching. So let me see if everything looks good, especially on mobile. 13. What's 13, Emmanuel? Great, we are moving down. Come on. Come on, come on, 24. Great, 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 great. TP2 is hit plus 200 pips. And TP3 is hit. What do you think, guys, about this trade? So let's get to today. Custom period is from the 5th of February. I was at minus 5,000 loss. So yeah, now I'm at 15,000. My gosh, good trade. Yeah, it was a good trade. Did you guys enjoy it? And also, for new people, don't forget to subscribe. What do you think, guys? Should we enter another trade? And for the new people watching, this is of course my own real account, as you can see here, with plenty of history. So I think it goes back to the last, let me see, all history. Yeah, to the last 3 months, I believe. So, and this is a real account, and this is the open balance, open P&L, and this is the closed trades. So everything is 100% transparent. So this trade is gone. I will move it to this side so we can take another trade. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate your feedback. And we are now at 3 likes and 7 people watching. I really don't know why I'm not growing on YouTube live stream. I'm doing live streams since the 25th of November, and I'm only at 130 subscribers or something like that. Don't know why. So I think YouTube is not pushing the live streams enough, or people simply don't watch live stream content or something like that, especially live stream trading. So yeah, we are at this level. You can see how many times gold rejected this level. I think it's riskier going in here, doing something like that with 150 pips, targeting 300 or even 350, something like that. I think it's risky. And we have this wick here under my stop loss, so something like this will be good, but it will be super risky. Flex your highlights to invite more people to watch your live. Try to market it on your Instagram. Yes, you are right. You see, something like this will be great. I just need gold to give me a good entry. So at 13 or 12, I did go in, let me see, did go in at 14, yeah, or 13. Let me see, at 13 was my entry. Let's do 300 and 150. So at 13, stop loss will be 4798. The TP1 will be 23. So this is extremely risky. Please do not copy trade me. 4798, 13, 23, 43 for the TP2, and 53 for the TP3. 48, 53, and 4798. So let me get the TP levels. The TP1 will be at 100 pips. 23 because we entered at 13. The second one will be at 13. At 33, the TP2 will be. And the TP3 will be here, or maybe I will move it to the upside a bit. Let's keep it here until we get to the TP1 at least at 43 or 53, I think. 43. So yeah, let's watch and see. Your life is absolutely transparent and good. It's just that people haven't discovered you yet. Live again. Yes, Emmanuel, you are right. I think so. And hello, Limatric. Have you just joined the live stream, or have you been able to catch this one? And like I told you guys, this exact trade that I'm in is riskier than the previous one. So yeah, please do not go in, or if you are in profits, just close in profits. Yeah, Emmanuel, you are right. People haven't discovered me yet, but yeah, I think you guys need to push me a bit. So share the live stream link with someone who will be interested in watching it, and also like and subscribe and participate in the live chat, so the live stream will be pushed, and I will continue doing this live stream always. So where we at? Come on. At least CP1, great. So we can move the stop loss to the entry at 48.13. 48.13. So I need to do it super fast because I told you this trade is risky. So, and let me write SL at break even here again. And yeah, we will find some resistance in this area if we go to it, but yeah, for now let's watch and see. So I entered this first trade based on the market structure. If you can see here, yeah, I noticed that the price is starting to form a bearish structure. Then I saw that the price, I was going to enter right here, but I didn't have the chance to do it. So I waited for the price to come back at least to the EMA and enter again. So I saw this big candle right here and didn't enter. Then I saw this two bearish candles. Then when I saw the price retest in this zone, I've entered immediately, and we catched how many? We catch 100 plus 200 plus 300. That's 600 pips, I think. Here we catch 600 pips here, and here we are at this level I saw the price rejecting this level multiple times. I see some bullish movement here, waited for the price to go down here at least so I can have my stop loss under this wick here. Entered this trade here. We did make 100 pips plus 200 pips for the TP2 hit, and now we have the TP3 hit, still not triggered yet. So this is the logic behind these two trades. So it's extremely easy. The trick is in the timing and waiting, of course, and in risk management. So let me move the TP3 for a bit. So we will be targeting, let me see, 400 pips. So we will be targeting 400 pips. So, and the TP3 will be at 53, because yeah, on my phone I see 43. Yeah, 43. Yeah, we did catch. I have made a mistake on the TP2, so I've entered 43 and it needed to be 33. So I closed one trade. So I closed this one manually. This was for the TP1. I closed this one manually because I had TP2 at 43 and it needed to be at 33. And now I changed the TP3 for the last position to 53. We'll be targeting 400 pips. Why? Because I saw that the price did go through this EMA, and why not? But if I see some weird movement here, I will go out, because we are looking so good and I don't want to waste these profits. Hoping, I'm praying for the best for your YouTube channel. Thanks, Emmanuel. Too scared to enter that buy signal, haha, but congratulations. How much lot do you play with? 3.2, 3.3. That's 2% of my account size. So if you here, you can see 3.5, because yeah, let me show you the whole account. So at 531, if you are risking that much, it's between 2 and 3% per trade, not per position. But yeah, I hope you like this 2 entries. And for everyone watching, don't forget to subscribe, because I go live every day trading gold for 1 hour. But don't forget that 90% of my trading happens on Telegram, so you need to join Telegram. So we are going down. as I can see here a bit. So let's see if gold will respect this EMA and still push up or not. So Emmanuel, no problem. So these live streams are good, so you can see the live execution, live emotions, and yeah, I'm not bulletproof, I'm not a robot, I'm just used to I have more chart time than you, that's all. Being scared is completely normal, and yeah, no shame about it. We can see clearly that gold is following a bearish structure. So here, if you can see, if we closed like this, I think I will think about entering another sell trade. And as Garali, we don't play with lot sizes. You can, yeah, you can think about it like this. It's like a game, but either a very expensive or a very profitable game. So when the price comes back to here, I will think about closing, because you can see that we are following a bearish structure right now, and you need to do that every time. You need to adapt with the market bias every time. Don't simply see that the market is bearish today and be selling all day. Yeah, I told you. So we are cooked on this last position. Also, we didn't reach the 300 pips, I believe. Yeah, no, so no worries. I will be holding this trade. Maybe it will shoot up and take my TP3, and it will be really good for a clip on Instagram and YouTube. So that's why I will hold this trade. Yes, but yeah, you need more chart time. That's it. Also, I don't advise trading gold for beginners, but if you learn to trade gold first, all the other markets will look extremely easy to you. So we have, are we out? Yes, we are out. So this trade is closed at TP2, I think, yeah. And I think I will add one more trade and then go out. And we are up 25,000 today. I'm really upset that I didn't share this trade with the premium members, this both trades, because yeah, price moved so fast and I didn't want to send a trade that will be risky for my Telegram members. But for the ones who are watching the live streams, congratulations, guys. So let me remove this and explain to you what I will be looking into for the next trade. So you can see here we formed equal highs, then we can count this as equal highs too, and now lower high. My next plan is to sell gold somewhere here at 32, something like this, with 150 I think, or yes, with 150, something like this. So we can follow this bearish trend. But guys, this is only a mini structure, because we can see right here that the price is still respecting these lows here. That doesn't mean that the price will shoot straight down. So yeah, I'm just showing you my thinking process on how I will be executing the next trade. If it's a win, it's a win. If it's a loss, it's a loss. Just keep in your mind that there is an opportunity to win and an opportunity to lose also. That's why we manage risk in every single trade. So something like this. Go TP2, thank you. Imatric, which trade are you talking about? The previous one, the buy one? So how much we made now on these both trades? So this one had 100 pips plus 200 pips plus 300 pips, that's 600 pips, plus 300 pips, 900 pips on the live stream so far. Because I will share it on the free Telegram. Come on. Yeah, I think this is the perfect opportunity, and like I told you guys, this is extremely risky, so manage risk. So my first position is at 34. So let me quickly get the stop losses first, so we will be protected. So at 48.49. So I will enter the stop loss first, so will be 48.49. So I will be protected. Then what the hell, 48.49. Are we going to be stopped out? Yes, I think so. Yeah, I will be stopped out in no time. I didn't even get the chance to enter, yes, to enter my TP levels. You see? Everyone saying BTC will become $0. What's your thoughts? I don't think so, because the big companies and the big ones are investing into BTC, like BlackRock, like the what's it's called, the strategy called orange, this strategy.com. This guy owned the most bitcoins on the planet. That's his name. Leadership is Michael G. Saylor. I don't think BTC will go to $0. So lost this one. I'm up now 9,200 for the day. No problem. I think it will be it. So yeah, always after a loss, just sign off and keep your profits like this. And we will meet tomorrow. Is Friday, yeah? We will meet tomorrow for a new live stream. Do you guys have any questions before I leave? So if not, thanks so much for joining today's live stream. I will try to do another live stream tomorrow like this one. And let me see what the price will do right now, because we are at an important level right here, if you can see. Before I go, Stefan, hi, how are you, bro? Have you watched the live stream from the beginning or just joined? Yeah, gold is extremely volatile. You see, we were counting on this trend, this downtrend to continue, shoot straight up. Now it found a resistance at this level. So I don't recommend continuing trading gold, to be honest. Every single trade now will be extremely risky. So a sell one will be something like this. But it's extremely risky because of this strong momentum to the upside. Let's see if the price will reject this again. Maybe I will think about entering one last trade and call it a day. On the TP1, let me see where the TP1 will be. Here. Let me see. And the entry will be at 64. We lower my lot size a bit and we'll be waiting for the price to go up a bit. And I don't recommend for you guys to enter. 63. So I've entered one last trade for this live stream at 64, And let me see, 64. The stop loss will be 130 for this one, 100 for the TP1. I think this is logical because if it's 77, TP1 will be at 54, TP2 will be at 44, and TP3 will be at 34. TP1 is hit, so 64 stop loss to the entry, 64, 40, 54, 44. And we are stopped out at break even, I believe. And TP3 will be 60 and 34. So this is the last trade of the day for me on the live stream. I will of course continue to trade on premium. 54, this is the TP1. This is the TP2. 44. And this is the TP. Forget about it. We were stopped out at break even, I think. Yes. So one last trade, and yeah, we are up 10,000 for the day. We are at 1,000 minus 2,000, let's say, for the other trades that I have. Let me check. AUD still looking good. USD. Yeah, I shared this trade this morning. Maybe I will share it with the free Telegram. CFDJPY still looks good. This is going to TP3, I believe. And this one was shared for free on Telegram. GBPCAD, yeah, I had a stop loss this morning on the GBPCAD. Yeah, I've entered here, I think, and it touched, yeah, somewhere here, and touched my stop loss. So this trade is gone. NZD-CAD, we are still in negative drawdown, but we can see that this EMA is holding well, and that both trades are in premium, this NZD-JPY and NZD-USD. So thanks guys for you watching this live stream, and let's meet tomorrow for a new one. Don't forget, please, to like the live stream, subscribe to encourage me doing this live streams every day, and let's meet tomorrow. Thank you so much, and